Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel one passenger on Easyjet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Easyjet? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type easyjet.com. It's going to take you right into the official website. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompts to sign in. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on EasyJet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to cancel one passenger on EasyJet. So let's say, for example, you did a group booking and there are multiple passengers in one ticket or in one booking. Here's exactly how to cancel a passenger that cannot just make it. Okay, number one, before we proceed to how to cancel a passenger, I'd like you to know that the best option is not for you to cancel. Don't cancel. Don't even, you don't need to speak to anyone. You don't need to cancel the flight. You don't need to cancel the passenger. All right, so just show up on the day of the flight and just let them know that one person could not make the trip, and then request a refund, and they're definitely going to refund. So you show up with a group of people, let them know that one person could not make it, and they're definitely going to refund. So you don't have to go through the hassle of canceling. But here's what to do if you really want to cancel. At the top corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple tabs, which include flight info, holidays, cars and transfers, businessbooking.com, and manage bookings. Click on manage bookings, and it's going to take you right into the manage bookings window. Over here, going to click on view bookings. And once you click on view bookings, you're going to find your bookings here. So go ahead and locate the bookings that you want to make changes on. Once you click on the book, it's going to take you right into the bookings window where you have all the passengers that you have made the bookings for, or you made bookings for. Go ahead and click on the passenger that you want to cancel. You're going to find an option that says cancel passenger. Go ahead and click on the cancel option, and then go ahead and confirm cancellation. After confirming cancellation, that's all you need to do. The passenger will be cancelled. So like I said, the best option is not for you to cancel. All right. Just turn up with the team. Let them know that they're definitely going to figure out that the team is not complete. Let them know that you booked for 5, but one couldn't show up, and request a refund. They will definitely refund you. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.